You don't get names. Only a time. And a door. 2:17 a.m. The knock comes exactly 3 times. You wait. Control matters here. Then you open it. He steps inside like he's done this before. No questions. No introductions. You sit. He sits. The process begins. A new name. New records. New history. Every detail placed where it belongs. Clean. Precise. Forgettable. He watches every movement. When it's finished, you slide the folder across the desk. This is who you are now. He doesn't touch it. Not at first. Then he takes it. Walks to the door. Stops. What happens to the old me? Gone. He leaves. You open the system. Locate his file. Delete. The screen flickers. You stare. The file is still there. Updated. Reassigned.